Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
One step flaps down. Did I forget the landing gear? Why no? Yai. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. P39 Cobra 2 going for its good weather flight. Well, this is a good weather for us people. So I hope I have set the CG right. Manual trim only. Alright, here we go.
No! That's rusty.
Either my skills are rusty or this plane is behaving strange. I'm not sure. One moment. Setting some trims. It has tendency to shoot up, so it could be due to its shape. Alright, here comes a nice, slow, steady pass. Was that slow?
That is fast. I know
Why? My batteries start beeping. I have a low voltage beeper, is already beeping. Man, I gotta retire some of my batteries now. Definitely retire. This plane is actually has a very efficient propulsion system, and I can get flight times up to 12 and 15 minutes. But this battery is actually disappointing me, man. Man, I forgot how agile this plane was. I'm totally not doing scaled flights. I'm doing totally RC flights. This is not a scale flying. Let's see a scaled circular flight. Nice and steady like a trainer plane. Coming for a steady pass again. Do remember, mommy, it will be a little faster in front of us. Watch the cable, keep it lower to the cable. I crashed one of my plane in that dreaded cable there, and I do not want to crash another there. Alright, here comes a crazy pass now. I kept it farther so Mary can shoot properly, because the plane is definitely taking some nice speeds today. Why, yo, yai! Man, the turns are really agile on this plane. Alright, my old battery. I shouldn't tease too much. Let's try some landing, shall we?
there's one guy over there.
It's fine. Break the speed after making a turn, not now. Flaps down. Watch the cables. I'm actually very far from cable. It looks like we are very close to the cables. Coming easy and smooth.
Oh,
Touchdown.
I just that's heavy.
Let me do one more takeoff and one more landing.
Oh.
Just for my practice, right?
Yeah.
Baba is out of practice, so let's see how fast this plane can take off, all right?
And how many seconds?
Well, how many meters? That's the question. Full throttle. Whoa! Did you hear the plane, the propeller going supersonic, right?
Yeah.
Wank! Suddenly,
I hear it. And
suddenly it was like wank!
And
Landing without flaps.
maybe that one it is a super fast plane. One question.
Look at that idiot. That was quick, man, right? That's what I'm talking about. The plane is really efficient in terms of propulsion system. Time to land. One step, flaps down. Did I forget the landing gear?
No.
Smooth touchdown. Let's hear that supersonic prop sound, shall we?
Shall we?
Let me check. Oh, this thing has a lot of thrust. You want to hold it? Sit on the skateboard.
It'll be windy.
Don't take off, okay?
Okay. Where should I hold? Should
Okay.
I hold here?
Two kids sitting on a skateboard. Not here. Hold the tail here.
Okay.
Not here. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Because it will pull you really hard. So hold it hard.
Okay.
Hold it nice. Ready?
Ow.
Man, this thing has a power. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.